Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to post on Reddit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your Reddit application. Then tap on Create at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the gallery icon. Then select the picture that you want to post. Tap on the Add button. You can add text, draw, or crop if you want to. Once you're done, tap Next. Then add your title. You can also add body text. Tap on the Next button at the top right corner of your screen and choose your community. Once you're done, tap on the Post button. And this is how you can add posts on Reddit. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.